Hi, I'm David, and I'm here to introduce you to a hobby of mine. I consult startups and new companies by building their financial models. When a company is looking to get off the ground and procure investment from either a venture capital firm or a wealthy individual, one of the most important things they need to show is a projection of how their company will run from a financial standpoint. Let me see. Oh, here we go. It's backwards, but it starts with a sales forecast, which is a projection of monthly sales for the next 5 years and really shows the revenue that the company will produce. That's linked to the income statement, which is the second sheet, and starts with the revenue up top and then goes through and subtracts all the different expenses that the company can expect to incur, from employee wages to purchasing inventory to paying for rent, utilities, whatever the cost may be, and shows you the profit that the company and net income that the company will intake in any given year. The next sheet is called the balance sheet. A balance sheet is a collection of a company's assets and liabilities. Assets can include things like any inventory that the company has on hand, any warehouses or buildings or storefronts that they own, any trucks they own, physical assets. And liabilities are money that is owed or inventory that is owed to clients. So that can be interest that is owed from any given loans that the company currently has out. It can be any wages that they owe to employees, any money they owe to banks, etc. The final sheet, and my favorite, is called a cash flow statement. A cash flow statement adds and subtracts all these numbers and comes up with how much the company will have in its bank account at the end of any given month. So you can see how cash flow positive or cash flow negative a company will be at any point in time. What I do to figure out the amount of money that a company needs is I'll find the month where they have the least amount of money in their bank account. Let's say it's negative $100,000. Then I know they need at least $100,000 to get their business going, plus another $50,000 to $100,000 depending on the company to give themselves wiggle room for anything that they don't expect. I'm currently consulting for two companies. One is called Audio Icons, and they make Bluetooth speakers in the shapes of football helmets. Check them out online, they're pretty cool. They have a Georgia one. The second is called Notel, which is a real estate firm in New York, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with WeWork, but they do similar co-working space on a month-by-month lease program. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed.